Hello and welcome back, dear students. Hope you all had a wonderful break and enjoyed your Diwali vacations. Now, let us come back from holiday mood and concentrate on your studies. Let us start our day with today's thought. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. It means to achieve anything, there should be means intense and eager enjoyment in you. You cannot achieve anything without enthusiasm. So, develop enthusiasm to achieve great things. Children, today we are going to start a new topic. Unit 2 topic Let's Speak. Children, tell me, do you like to prepare some simple snacks for yourself at your own? I think yes. Because today's our topic is how to make bhel and to learn how to speak and how to converse with each other. So, let's start reading the chapter. 2.7 Let's speak. Let's make bhel. Children, let's make a bhel tomorrow. Who would like to bring kurmura, that is puffed rice? Children, I hope you must be knowing kurmura. It is the basic thing which you need to make bhel. So when teacher asked this question, so one student, can you see, he has raised his hand and he said, I would like to bring kurmura. So here one student said, I would like to bring kurmura. Children, here we are trying to learn how to answer a question and how to respond and how to speak with each other. So when teachers ask you some questions in the class, how to respond that questions, that we will try to learn in this chapter. So now the teacher said, who would like to bring farsan? Student, you must be knowing farsan. Farsan, it is a namkeen salty snacks which we like to eat. Yes or no? Yes. So, when teacher asked who would like to bring farsan, can you see these two girls? So, one of them, she is saying, teacher, I would like to bring farsan. Now, teacher is asking to all the students, what are the other things needed to make bhel? Student, you must know, if you want to make bhel, there are many things which you need. What we need? So, one of the child, he says tomatoes, the other boy said onions, and this girl, she is answering, she said coriander leaves. Coriander leaves means small green leaves. In Marathi we called it as sambar. So these all things are needed to make bhel. So now teacher is again asking, now tell me, who would like to bring chopped tomatoes and onions? Chopped means cut in small pieces. So to make bhel, we need small cut pieces of tomatoes and small pieces of onions. So now teacher is asking who would like to bring. So these two children, they are ready. So he is saying, teacher, I would like to bring chopped tomatoes, and this boy, he is ready and he said, teacher, I would like to bring chopped onions. Now again teacher is asking, and who would like to bring chopped coriander leaves? So can you see this girl? She has raised her hand and she is saying, teacher, I would like to bring chopped coriander leaves. Now teacher is very happy and she said, She is saying, wonderful. Children, I would like to bring salt, lemon juice, a big bowl, spoons and salt. So, now teacher is happy and she said, children, I would like to bring salt, lemon juice, big bowl, spoons and plates. Students, tell me, what for you need a big bowl? Yes, correct. To mix all the things together properly, you need a big bowl. And also, we need salt and lemon juice to add taste to the bhel, and spoons and plates to eat the bhel. So, teacher said, I will bring all these things. So, children, they have discussed with each other what all things they are bringing and who is going to bring which things. So, what they are saying? Yay, what fun, yummy. So, can you see here? Here they had a fun. They are celebrating with each other, and what they are saying, wow, wonderful, we had fun, yay, good, we enjoyed a lot. So, they are going to have a fun. So, because of this lockdown, we are not at school, but if we were at school, we would have done this activity in the school. But now you have learned how to prepare a bhel. So, you will prepare the bhel at home. For chopping tomatoes and onions and lemon, you should take help from your mother. Okay, children? So, in this chapter, let's speak. What we are learning and why we are learning all these of how to make bhel and all these question and answers. Why we are doing all such thing? Because we need to learn to have a dialogue in the class. How to converse with each other in the class. We should get up and answer a question when it is asked by a teacher. Now, can you see? When the teacher asks you a question with would you like to? Can you see here? Who would like to? So, if the teacher asked a question with would you like to, the child answers I would like to. So, can you see? She is raising her hand and she's answered I would like to. So, when the teacher has asked a question with who would like to, the child answered I would like to. So, children, you must practice these type of question answers among yourself with your parents and friends. Secondly, why they are teaching us how to make bhel? They are teaching us how to make bhel to help us understand the sequence, how these things are done in an order. You don't simply take kurmura and add lemon juice and say this is bhel. No, this is not a bhel. You have to first take kurmura, then add farsan and then add the other things, mix it all, then it is a bhel. So there is sequence in how you do your things. So there is sequence of things to be followed. So in this reading skill, we have learned how to use the sequence of the things to make things or to do things, and how to make a dialogue correctly, how to answer a question when a question is asked in a certain manner. If it is asked who would like to or would you like to, you say yes I would like to, not I like to. If teacher is asking would you like to, you have to answer yes I would like to, not I like to. Okay? And this is the reason that we have this lesson in our textbook. I hope you have learnt it properly. So, we will see you in the next period. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.